Welcome to Systelligence. My name is Murli. This channel is faceless by necessity, not choice. I had a brain stroke that affected my speech. It gave me Spastic Dysarthria, but I never lost my knowledge. 20 years of Linux and DevOps experience. Indian Air Force veteran. This is my classroom. Let us begin. Imagine this situation. It is 2 in the morning. Your production server has crashed completely. The operating system is not responding. SSH is timing out. You are hundreds of kilometers away from the data center. You have no physical access. What do? This is exactly where IPMI saves your career. IPMI stands for Intelligent Platform Management Interface. It is an open industry standard created by Intel in 1998. Every major server vendor supports IPMI. Dell, HP, Supermicro, and Lenovo all implement it. IPMI is not software. It is a hardware-level interface built directly into the server motherboard. IPMI runs on a dedicated chip called the Baseboard Management Controller. Engineers call it the BMC. The BMC has its own processor, its own memory, and its own network port. It has its own power supply too. This means the BMC runs completely independently of your main CPU. It runs independently of your operating system. As long as the server has power, the BMC is alive and waiting. Even if the server is switched off, the BMC is still running. With IPMI, you can power on a server remotely from anywhere in the world. You can reboot it, check CPU temperature, and view hardware logs. You can access the server console even during boot using serial over LAN. IPMI monitors fan speed, voltage levels, and power consumption in real time. Every hardware fault is recorded automatically in the system event log. You can even mount an ISO image remotely to reinstall the operating system. Now, let us talk about iDRAC. iDRAC stands for Integrated Dell Remote Access Controller. Dell developed iDRAC as their proprietary implementation built on top of IPMI. Think of IPMI as the foundation. iDRAC is Dell's enhanced version with significantly more features. iDRAC gives you a complete web browser interface to manage your server. No command line needed. Just open a browser and connect to the iDRAC IP address. iDRAC gives you virtual console access. You can see the server screen remotely with full keyboard and mouse control. This works even when the operating system is completely down. This works even during the BIOS boot process. The lifecycle controller is another powerful iDRAC feature. It lets you manage firmware updates and deploy operating systems remotely. You never need to touch the server physically. iDRAC also sends email alerts and SNMP traps for hardware events. Temperature warnings, fan failures, power supply issues all alert you automatically. iDRAC comes in 3 versions. iDRAC. Basic has limited features suitable for small environments. iDRAC Express adds group management for medium deployments. iDRAC Enterprise unlocks the complete feature set. Virtual Console and Virtual Media are enterprise-only features. Every Dell PowerEdge server ships with iDRAC built in from the factory. You access it through a dedicated management port on the server rear panel. The critical difference between iDRAC and SSH is this. SSH requires the operating system to be running. iDRAC works even when the OS is completely crashed. iDRAC works during boot. Now let us cover iLO. iLO stands for Integrated Lights. Out. This is HPE's implementation of out-of-band management. It is available on all HPE ProLiant servers. The name Lights. Out means you can manage the server with the lights off. No physical presence in the data center required. iLO gives you integrated remote console for full graphical server access. You see the server screen remotely with complete control. The active health system is a unique iLO feature. It continuously logs server health data in the background. Every temperature reading, every fan speed, every voltage level is recorded. When a problem occurs, you have a complete history to diagnose it. HPE support can analyze this log to identify issues proactively. iLO Federation is another powerful feature for large environments. It lets you manage hundreds of HPE servers from a single iLO interface. Group power actions, group firmware updates, group health monitoring. iLO versions follow HPE server generations closely. iLO 4 ships with Gen 9 servers. iLO 5 ships with Gen 10 servers. iLO 6 ships with Gen 11 servers. Now the key difference between all three technologies: IPMI is an open standard. Any vendor can implement it. iDRAC is Dell's proprietary implementation for Dell servers only. iLO is HPE's proprietary implementation for HPE servers only. All three speak IPMI underneath. The vendor tools simply add a better interface on top. Choose based on your environment. Mixed vendors use IPMI tool for standard that covers IPMI, iDRAC and iLO. You now understand the difference between the open standard and the vendor implementations. You know what the baseboard management controller does? You know why it matters at 2 in the morning when your server is down? This is the knowledge that separates senior engineers from juniors. In the next video, we go hands-on with IPMI tool. Real commands, real production workflow. How to power on a server remotely. How to set the boot device to PXE. How to access the serial console when the operating system is completely unresponsive. That is part 3 of the data center series. Subscribe so you do not miss it. Drop your questions in the comments below. I read every single one. See you in the next video.